Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today, if you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys what's on my iPhone. I've actually never done one of these before, which is kind of funny because I really like watching these videos. Yeah, I have absolutely zero idea what's on here, so this might be interesting. But I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what's on my iPhone. Why not? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. If you guys would like to see what's on my phone, then just keep on watching. Also, guys, don't forget to leave your video suggestions in the comments down below. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. So starting out, I have an iPhone 7 Plus. I know, I'm sorry guys, I don't have an 11. I'm not cool. I just don't have the money to buy that. So rip. So mine is in black and I have this really cool case on it. This is from Caseify and I customized it. So it was just like a clear lightning case and then I got it with silver glitter right here in the front. So if you shake it up, it has glitter and it's really cute and it looks just like me. And I thought it looked really good up against the black iPhone. So that is my case. Caseify is the best cases. This literally is my all-time favorite iPhone case that I've ever had. So opening up my phone, I just have a picture of my dog in. You can't see her face because the screen recording's on, but just imagine with me here. So on my home screen, I have all of my general apps here. So I have like my mail, my calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, etc. You guys kind of know the usual apps on your iPhone. My 4 apps that I have on the bottom is my phone, iTunes, Safari, and then my messages. I know you guys, I have 118 messages. I promise you guys I'm not that popular. It's just all from group chats. Literally, group chats would be the death of me. So don't think I'm that popular because I'm really not. And then I have Top Hat on here. If you guys don't know what Top Hat is, it's basically how they keep attendance in college. So I have that right there because when I go back to school, I will need that on there. So yeah. Also guys, I just changed my screensaver, so I got this off of Tumblr. Now if you scroll over to the side, you guys will see my other apps. So at the top I have some more basic apps that come with the iPhone, which is, you know, shortcuts, FaceTime, podcast, calculator, and Apple Watch. I actually just sold my Apple Watch, so I don't even know why I have that on there, but you know. So starting out with my first category, I organize all my stuff in categories because I'm weird like that. I like to organize things even on my phone. So the first one is photo and video because I do a lot with that, as you guys know. So on here I have Facetune. If you guys don't know what Facetune is, it basically is like a really good Photoshop app. I typically don't Photoshop pictures of my like self. Like I just Photoshop stuff in the background. So I'm gonna show you guys this picture of my dog just for reference because I put a carrot on her head last night and she looks really cute. So basically what you can do on here is you can just like, you can smooth things you want. You can smooth things and then if you want, you can like reshape stuff. This is actually really funny. Like you can literally like reshape things to however you want. So if you want to make my dog look retarded, she's gonna hate me for this, but you can do that. And then you can like resize stuff. I really like this app. This is honestly like one of the best apps that you guys can get on there. It's totally worth the money if you want to make your dog look weird. That looks like a freaking light bulbs on her head, you know? Why not? You can also do patches, which is how like usually if there's like a person in my background, my photo or something that I don't like, I can like Photoshop it out, which is what I use it for personally. I don't Photoshop my face because I'm real, I'm not fake, but if you want to, you can. And basically what this is, you can just put like, if I want to put my dog's nose there, I can. So that is our glorious picture we just made on Facetune, but Facetune is one of my favorite apps to use for that. Next I have Visco because obviously who doesn't have Visco on their phone? I honestly don't use Visco as much as I used to, but I still have it. I'm actually not signed in, but you guys know what this app does. It just basically has filters for your Instagram photos. It's awesome if you guys want like a really good free app. Then I have my Canon Camera Connect, which is just basically where I connect my vlog camera, which is over there. If I want to get photos off of it, I can connect it directly to my phone and import photos that way. So that's what that does. It's nothing fancy. I have Snapseed on here. I honestly don't remember what this does. I think it's kind of like a Photoshop app, but I don't like that one as much. Probably should delete it. You know what? We're gonna delete it, guys. I don't use it. The next app on here is Huji. If you guys don't remember Huji, it's basically where you can take any photo. I'm just gonna take a photo and it develops it and it kind of makes it look like a vintage like camera, if that makes sense. So you guys can see like I just took a photo of my tripod, but it just gave it like a really cool like rainbow looking vintage vibe filter. That's a really cool app if you guys wanted to check it out. It is free, I think, but I think you have to buy it, I'm not sure, but it is really cool if you want to put like a cool like vintage vibe on your photo. Next thing I have is Canva. Canva is literally the best app in the entire universe. This is where I edit most of my thumbnails, and also if I want to like make cool Instagram story posts, that is where I go. You can literally do anything. They have so many different templates on here. So like if you wanted Instagram story, it'll show you guys like all the ones that you can do and you can just customize it and put your own photo on there. I literally think it's the coolest app ever. This one's one of my favorites right here, but It's super simple, it's free, it's perfect. Next app is Lightroom. This is where I edit all of my Instagram photos and some of my thumbnails. I do have presets on here. If you guys don't know what presets are, you can basically buy them from people. I have some from Maddie Cobain, and then I bought some off of Etsy for cheap. So if you guys want to check those out, I will try and link them down below. I'm gonna put a photo on here just to show you guys what you can do to like pictures. So here's a selfie I took of myself because I'm self-centered. So if you want, you can just put like any preset that you want on here. I know you guys kind of know how to use this, but basically sometimes photos don't look good with these presets, so you just kind of have to check it out. I have like a lot of random presets on here. I just randomly type in letters and just hope for the best. But yeah, if you want like a cool like little, you want to like edit your photos on here, it actually does a really great job. This is personally the one that I use the most. So yeah, you can change the exposure, the contrast, all of that if you want to edit it any way that you would like. Next, for the last photo on here, it's called Fonto, and this is where I put some of the text for my thumbnails on here. This app's really cool. I actually just use it for my recent thumbnail, and I probably will use it on here. I'm gonna take the same picture of Gizmo again because she's the best, and I'll show you guys. So basically you can add any text on here. This is awesome if you guys want to make cool thumbnails. Like I can say Gizmo rocks, and if you want, you can change the style, so you can actually do like a border around it like that, and you can change the size, the shape, and you can actually do like a curve to it, so it kind of like curves over. This is one of my favorite apps. Yeah, if you wanted to do something cool like that, this app kind of gives you the freedom to do that, and it's one of my favorites for my thumbnails. And then for some reason RetroCam is over here. RetroCam just basically puts like retro filters and like grainy filters on your photos. I can show you guys. Here is a photo of me from my most recent video. Just gonna use it, and you can basically put any textures over this, and then you can also do frames on here, which makes it look super cool. I've done this for a few of my Instagram photos, but I really like it. I like how it looks. I think it's just really cool. So that's it for my photo and video folder. The next folder is just a bunch of apps that come on your phone. Nothing fancy, obviously. And going on to productivity, this is just what it named it. I promise you guys I didn't name it. So I have Dropbox on here just to put files and stuff, and then I have files to put files. I have iZip because that's how I had to get my presets onto Lightroom. So those are nothing super interesting. I have this app called Influencer, which you can actually like do reviews and they send you products to review. So I've done that a few times. If you guys haven't checked it out, it's really cool. I haven't done it in a while, but it also provides a way for you guys to see reviews for other products as well. So if you're interested in a makeup product but you're not sure getting it, this app is the way. Next, I have a bird scooter app because when I go to college, they have bird scooters, and sometimes I ride them because I have to park like 20 million miles away, and you know, sometimes I just wanna ride a bird scooter, so that's on there. Next app is Urban Outfitters. I like shop at Urban Outfitters, that's why that's on there. You guys, I'm pretty sure you guys know what Urban Outfitters is. Then I have Photomath. If you guys don't know what Photomath is, it's a lifesaver. So when you take like complicated math stuff, it's kind of good. It basically, you can take a picture of any math problem on here and it will solve it for you guys. Or like if you just have like division or like addition or subtraction or something, like a bigger thing that you just don't want to figure out, it's like part of a giant problem. Photomath, way to go. It saved my life in accounting so many times. I definitely recommend it. The next two apps are guitar apps because I sometimes like to play guitar. So I have a guitar tab app, which just basically has a bunch of like chords and tabs for popular songs. So I like, if you want to find like Billie Eilish, which I just looked up because I was playing that on guitar. So basically it has all the lyrics and then it has guitar chords on here. This is really helpful if you want to learn how to play guitar. I really like this app. And then the next app is Guitar Tuna, which basically just tunes your guitar. Like you have to tune it, but it tells you if it's in tune. This is really helpful if you have a guitar. Definitely get it. So that's it for the productivity app. I don't know why it called it that, but it did. The next app I have on here is obviously YouTube. You guys know I love YouTube, make videos. I love watching people's videos on here. If you guys want to see like these, so yeah, YouTube is the best app, personally my favorite app. And then I have Spotify because I love to listen to music. If you guys want to check out my playlist, I have some super dope playlists on there. And yeah, Spotify is way better than Apple Music. I don't care. I'm sorry guys. If I offended you, I'm sorry, but it's the truth. The next folder I have on here is called Don't Do It because it's social media that I get distracted on way too much. So on here I have Instagram. Yeah, if you guys want to check out my Instagram, I'll link it in the description box below. I go on there time to time. I try not to go on there too much. That's why I have it titled as Don't Do It, but do I listen to that? Well, may never know. And then of course I have TikTok because who doesn't love TikTok? I will get distracted on this for literal hours. It's just so funny. I literally cannot. It's like kind of reminds me of Vine. Love it guys. It's just the best. I also make TikToks. My username is Blurry Faith. If you want to check me out, I do have a few. I haven't been posting on here recently, but go check me out. The next folder is called Folder. What an original title there. In here I have Target, Amazon, I have Depop. If you don't know what Depop is, it's like a thrifting app. I sell a lot of stuff on here, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down for you guys. But basically I just sell a lot of my used clothes on here and phone cases, you know, anything that I have laying around that I don't use or I haven't used before, and I just sell it on here. It's a really cool way to go thrifting. It makes thrifting a lot easier too because you can like search specific things, but Depop is one of my favorite. And then I have Chick-fil-A because I love Chick-fil-A. I have Poshmark. Poshmark's just like Depop. And I have my Flames Nation app because I go to Liberty. That's just what you do to get free t-shirts and points and stuff. I have PayPal and Venmo. Those are just paying things you can pay for with on there. And then I have Mercari, which is also just like the other two. I'd have to say Mercari and Depop I like way better than Poshmark. On the next page I have Panera Bread. The Genie app and the Tin app are just for, we set up a camera sometimes when we leave to watch my dog just make sure she doesn't destroy anything because she tends to do that. So that's what those are for. And then I have Facebook, which I don't even go on Facebook anymore. And then I have Pinterest. You guys know what those are. Pinterest is great. I just don't go on those as much anymore. The next folder is my health folder. So I have a cardiogram, and activity, which are meant for my Apple Watch, which I just got rid of. So I probably need to delete those because I don't have any use for them right now. The next app is called Think Dirty, and basically what this app does is you can look up certain products like makeup products, skincare products, household products, anything on here, and it will kind of tell you what the level of like bad stuff is in there is. So just let me show you. Guys, I'm not like super like finicky about stuff, but I do like to try to find like cleaner products just because that's just me. So if you look up like Miss Myers right here, it will show you what's in it, what's bad, and what the rating is. So it goes from 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, and it kind of just tells you what's in the products you're using. I think it's really great. Definitely recommend it if you guys kind of want to find better products. Next app is my mail app. I have a lot of different mail carriers. So Outlook is my one that I use for school. Gmail is one that I used for when I went to community college, and it's still on here. AOL is where my business email is for YouTube. I have Liberty Today, which is just basically an app that tells me how many plus swipes I have to get food and stuff, so I have that for school. I have GroupMe on here because everyone uses GroupMe at school. The RAs on our hall like put us all in a group chat and kind of let us know stuff that's going on with school, so those are kind of meant for school. And then I have a Word app and Microsoft Teams because due to quarantine my classes got moved to Microsoft Teams. So that is what is there. That's mainly like school stuff, so nothing super interesting. My next app is called the Bible app. So I have my Bible app on there, which is really cool. You can, if you forget your Bible, because I do that sometimes, you can literally look up any verses on here. It also has devotionals. It's really cool, and it gives you daily verses of the day. Next is the Porch app. This is a really cool thing that puts sermons and podcasts on here for like, they're mainly based towards like college age students. It's really awesome. I love watching different sermons on here. This is one of my favorite apps to do that, so I definitely recommend checking that out. Echo, this is a prayer app. This is meant for like small groups at church. That's what that does. And then I have Fresh Life. If you guys don't know, Levi Lesko is my favorite pastor, and this is his church. So sometimes I like to watch sermons on here from his church. And the next folder is my games folder. I actually don't play games anymore, so I deleted a bunch of them. But I kept Smashy Roads because if you guys have never played Smashy Roads, you're missing out. This game is the best ever. I'm gonna play it for you guys so you can see. I just wanted to keep all my cars that I unlocked on here, honestly. So, not gonna lie, I haven't played this. Oh crap, I ran into a cop car. So basically the cops start chasing you. You have to see how long you can go. And then you earn like coins and stuff, and you get wasted on here. It's really fun. Oh no, I'm gonna get busted. No, I got busted. But this game's really fun. Last app I have in here, I don't know why it's not in a folder, but it's Like to Know It. And basically some influencers post photos on Instagram of their outfits, and you can go on this app and you can see what they're wearing, which I like. So yeah, that's what that does. And that's pretty much all I have on my phone. I don't have too much on here. But yeah, that's everything that's on my iPhone. This is actually pretty fun to film. Please leave your video suggestions in the comments down below because I want to know what you guys want to see. I have a lot more free time now that it's summertime to film videos, so definitely let me know what you'd like to see. If you want to see college videos, like fashion videos, makeup videos, anything like that, I will definitely do them. Also, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.